If you're here, there's a good chance your business looks busy from the outside, but internally, it doesn't feel stable. You're making decisions constantly. You're rewriting plans instead of using them. You're working hard, but you don't always feel grounded in what actually matters right now. And here's the important thing to know. Most founders don't fail because they lack ideas or effort. They struggle because their plan never becomes operational, or they are operating from designs in their head that no one else can scale. That's exactly what this workshop is designed to fix. This 90-minute complimentary workshop exists for one reason: to help you build a living operating plan. Not a business plan that sits in a drawer, but a plan you actually use to run your business week to week. This isn't about hustle. It's not about mindset. And it's not about adding more complexity. It's about installing just enough structure to replace guessing with clarity. This workshop is for founders and solo operators who are tired of reacting instead of deciding, feel busy but not anchored, want structure without bureaucracy, prefer clear systems over chaos, and want a plan that actually guides action. Whether you're in the idea stage, early traction, or growing, the framework adapts to your stage, capacity, and reality. By the end of this session, you'll walk away with a practical framework you can use immediately to make clearer decisions without second guessing, set priorities that reflect your real stage of business, review progress without panic or guesswork, adjust course without feeling like you've failed. People don't leave with more information, they leave with direction. Here's what we'll work through together. First, you'll learn how to build a plan that fits your stage, whether you're validating an idea, gaining traction, or managing growth. Then we'll focus on turning vision into execution by creating clear priorities, reducing the number of decisions you have to make, and building momentum without burnout. You'll also learn how to use your plan as a decision filter. What to say yes to, what to delay, what to stop entirely. And finally, we'll install a simple review rhythm. What to review, what to ignore, what to adjust, and when and how to pivot without blowing up the business and without losing confidence or momentum. This matters because clarity affects everything: funding conversations, partnerships, hiring decisions, sustainable growth. When your plan becomes operational, the business stops relying on heroics and starts running on rhythm. The workshop is facilitated by Lisa Murphy, executive coach and fractional leader at Limited to Limitless. Lisa works with founders to replace chaos with clarity and effort with structure that actually compounds. This is a complimentary 90-minute workshop. If you're ready to stop guessing and start running your business with a clear operating plan, you're in the right place. Click the button below and go ahead and register, and we'll build the structure together. Seating is limited. Join us January 27th, 2026 at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't need more effort. You need operational clarity. That's exactly what this workshop delivers. Can't join us live? Don't worry. Register today and receive access to this recording for 90 days.